In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blocks on Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to effectively create and manipulate blocks is key to unlocking this platform's full potential. Notion uses blocks as the basic building unit for all content, which allows you to create anything from simple text notes to elaborate databases with ease and precision. Let's dive into it by opening a new page in Notion. You'll notice right away that each new page is equipped with a blank slate ready for your first block. Click on the page where it says, Type for Commands. This is where all the magic happens. By typing the /, you instantly bring up a menu of block types you can use. This is the starting point for creating rich and varied content. So, let's add a basic text block. Simply click and start typing. It's as easy as that. You can use this block to jot down notes, brainstorm ideas, or outline a project. But we're just getting started, because Notion's strength lies in its versatility and range of block options. Next, let's try adding a heading. Again, type the / and then select Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 from the menu. Each heading style varies slightly in size, offering a clear way to organize your information hierarchically. For example, Heading 1 is great for primary titles, while Heading 2 and Heading 3 are suitable for subtitles or sections. Now, it's time to explore other block options. Let's create a to-do list, one of Notion's most popular features. Type the / and select To-Do List from the drop-down menu. A checkbox will appear next to your text, making it easy to track tasks or items on your list. This feature is fantastic for maintaining productivity and staying organized. Another powerful block type in Notion is the database. Databases allow you to store all sorts of information and can be used for purposes like tracking projects or creating inventories. To add a database, type the / and choose from available options like Table, Board, List, or Gallery. Each database layout serves different needs. Use Table for a classic spreadsheet feel, or Board for a Kanban-style view, for instance. Lastly, don't forget about media blocks. You can embed images, videos, and even external content from other sites. Just select Embed from the block menu to add context and depth to your pages. This functionality is particularly useful when building a portfolio or planning a presentation. As you can see, blocks are the cornerstone of Notion's flexibility, allowing you to turn a blank page into a customized workspace tailored to your needs. Play around with different block combinations to refine your structure and maximize efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more empowered to use blocks to enhance your Notion experience. Happy